Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And see the gardening amazing styles and garden designs into split. The split are the various part of all the sections split into flower beds while everywhere is surrounded by the earth and used in for these flowers, crops, fruits, trees and vegetables and medicinal herbs. Some part are interested to be a care for it. In different seasons, people also plant seasonal vegetables, pumpkin, gourd, lettuce, bitter gourd, garlic, tomato, potato, brinjal, bean, pea, cabbage, turnip, cauliflower, radish, carrot, etc. While among fruit, diseased apples, chicos, orange palms, etc. In addition to the people also grow climbers and shapers to decorate their garden. Among these includes many plants, various shrubs. All these come under the kingdom of plant. People root the grasses, prepare the bed, show the seeds, plant the trees, and water the crops on a routine basis. People work in their garden both during the morning and evening. They keep their garden neat and tidy. And we must love nature and the garden as well. We must keep in mind to take care the insects crops the garden. For these crops, insects can be dangerous on the crops, flowers and fruit crops. Insects lay eggs, thus we need trimples insections that can destroy it. And germs, bacteria that spread in it. These help the soil fertile improve. Gardening defines the mood and calms or the life of individual practicing it. In the garden, we grow various flowers, fruits, and vegetables. We tender and care for the life of these beautiful crops, thus, we grow them with uttermost level and care. These plants in our garden purify the air around us, thus making the air healthy which we breathe. Also, watching greenery in good for our eyesight. Gardening gives us the scope of the same. Gardening gives us pleasure as we watch the plants grow with our care, love, and nature. We see the plants. Thanks for watching.